Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle is a binary puzzle in today's edition of the daily newspaper of Friday. Yes, Friday, June the 4th, 2021. We have two puzzles left. Tectonic one and a binary one, and this binary puzzle will be a number 2897. All right, what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row, that means in a column or in a row, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. 4 O's in this row, so the rest are ones. Double O here, 1, there 1. Double O here, 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. 4 O's in the second row, so the rest are ones. Then. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Then between two O's comes an 1, double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have in the second row column, so the rest are ones. Then double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have, so the rest are ones. Yeah. 1 2 3. Let me see. 3. Well, this box cannot be an O because then we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1. So then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. So not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be no, this should be a 1. Okay, then 1 2 3 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double 1 here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. 1 2 3 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1 2 3 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1 2 3 4 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Then yeah. Then 3. Yeah. I need to compare, I think. I need to compare. This column and that column. 1 empty box 1 1. So we need to switch those two digits. We have an O there, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. 1 2 3 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1 2 3 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Need to compare again, I believe. Yes. How about the fourth column and the first column? 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 empty box 0. So we need to switch those two digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Finish in 4 minutes. All right. Great binary. Only twice for comparing. So I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you later with the last puzzle. It will be a tectonic with 4 stars. See you then. Bye bye for now.